if there's two words I could say that I have now that I didn't have back then, it's confidence in my resiliency. Like I know that there's nothing I can get into that I can't get out of. And I don't mean that like contract wise, but literally just anything that can happen. I mean, at 55, you start to learn a little bit about yourself finally too. And that, that I'm capable and I have the ability to move forward and figure things out. It may not be pleasant. And there's certainly times and days and issues that sometimes are not pleasant, but I can figure it out and I can get through it. And once you kind of have that sort of confidence, it allows you to move forward with the things that you need to do to make the changes to your business that you need to do. And walk with, I walk with fear. That fear doesn't go away. There's still times when I'm signing something that I'm thinking, what the heck am I doing? But yet at the same time, I just walk with that fear and go, I know that no matter what, there's somehow, some way I'll be able to get through this. And having that kind of confidence and knowing that I have that resiliency is probably what makes the difference.
Well, I can't imagine us going any further after that. I love that confidence and resiliency. And that's what we're going to be talking about at SOAR. So if you're interested in being surrounded by a bunch of women who have gone big, who are looking to go big, who are looking to expand not only their network, but their portfolio, join us in March. It's March 20th and 21st. We'll have a full day of speakers on March 20th. And then we're out in the field going around to different projects, storage units, hotels, apartment complexes, ground up construction, and you'll be able to learn about all this. Cortney, thank you so much. And thank you for coming and speaking on Making a Shift at SOAR. And we'll see you there. There's a link down below if you want to get more information. Thank you.
Bye.